In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read WhatsApp messages without blue ticks. Blue ticks are WhatsApp's read receipts. They tell the sender you've opened and read their message. If you prefer more privacy, you can turn this off so messages stay as gray ticks on the other person's screen. Just remember, when you disable read receipts, you also won't see when others have read your messages. And one important note, read receipts are still sent in group chats and for voice messages, even if you turn this feature off. Start by opening WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're on the main chat screen and that you're signed in to the account you want to adjust. This setting is tied to your account, so it carries across your devices. Next, open the menu to get to your settings. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. On iPhone, you'll find a settings icon that looks like a gear at the bottom right. Either way, the goal is to reach the app's settings area where all your account and privacy controls live. From there, go into settings. This is where WhatsApp groups all your preferences, including notifications, storage, and privacy options. We're heading to the privacy controls next. Tap on privacy. This section manages who can see your personal information, such as your last seen and online status, profile photo, about, and status. It also includes controls for disappearing messages and, most importantly for us, read receipts. Now scroll down until you find read receipts and toggle the switch to the off position. When the switch is off, people you message will no longer see blue ticks when you read their messages. Instead, messages will remain as gray ticks, indicating they were delivered but not shown as read. This change applies immediately, and you can turn it back on anytime if you change your mind. A couple of helpful clarifications. Turning off read receipts does not hide the typing indicator, and it doesn't affect delivery receipts. The first and second gray ticks still show when a message is sent and delivered. As mentioned earlier, group chats always send read receipts, and voice messages show as played even with this setting off. If you just want to avoid opening a message, notification previews on your phone can help you glance at incoming text without triggering a read. That's it. You've adjusted a single setting to read WhatsApp messages without sending blue ticks. Feel free to explore other privacy options while you're here. And remember, you can revert this anytime by returning to the same toggle in privacy.